Hey guys, Steve here with Nashville Home Squad of Exp Realty. Today I'm at our brand new listing in North Nashville. This newly renovated home is 3 bedrooms, 1 bathrooms, about 1,000 square feet, listing at $335, coming up this weekend. I can't wait to show it to you, so let's go on in and have a look. Well, what'd you think? It's a great renovation, huh? So the address is 2633 Combs Drive. The price is $335,000, hitting the market this weekend. So come on and have a look. If we can help you out in any way to find your new house in Nashville, go to NashvilleHomeSquad.com. Take care.